We're going to make some microphone. We're going to do some sound effects. We're going to do some sound effects. We've got an explosion. We need to make sound effect for. So, what are we going to do? You're going to be the bass.
I'm the bass. So
You're
I'm
the
I'm going to go for the high-pitched tones, like the squeals and the little things
like
that
little
shoot
bits,
out.
Should I just go for the mid-standard noise of an explosion?
That's what we're going for. Okay. Nice.
Like that, yeah.
Combine.
Yeah, it's good.
Should we do? Let's do. Okay, so we'll go 1, 2, 3.
Oh, not doing
Well, I'll do 1, 2.
I thought that was it.
no. I'll go 1, 2. Like that, yeah. Okay, cool.
right.
So, alright, so this is test 1. Okay, here we go. 3, 2.
That's nice.
That's right, yeah. I kind of went a bit too windy though. I was quite quiet. I was
Maybe it
like,
was very windy on the day that the explosion happened.
It did look
I'm going to
quite
do
windy.
that. I'm going to put some throat in it.
One more. You go for the throat.
Alright, let's go again. Alright, one more.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2.
I sounded like a Chinese person.
You get like,
but it's fine. It's a bit of an echo.
Let's try one more. Just one
Like
more.
a lady
Ready?
scream. Oh, the human.
We're going to go for a double deep one now.
A double deep.
Double deep.
Okay, here we go. And 3, 2.
Well, you got lots of
That was a bit of a double one there. Cool.
to choose from.
Cheers, guys.
was
Thank you.
double explosion.
And that is an insight onto how people record sound effects.
That is it.